We do have new leaks reveal S24 tagline pre-order benefits. Samsung always has the very best pre-order in the game. Better than Apple, better than Google, and trade-in offers, may I add as well. And you know what I like about Samsung trade-in is you can pay after. Like they don't make you pay. Like if they're gonna give me $900 for my S23 Ultra, and the new phone's $1,300, all you pay is $400, and then you ship this phone in. So you just pay the difference. Apple, Google, the other manufacturers, you got to pay everything up front, and then when you ship them your device, when they get your device, then they will deduct the difference amount. So Samsung does it backwards. They give you the discount up front, and that's all you pay. So let's see here. What are the benefits, upgrading benefits? Because I have all this other news in another leak. Where's the trade-in offer? Hang on, I think it's... All right, check it out. I got it. So this is a South Korean website, tech website that I go to for a lot of breaking news and stuff. I'll link it in the description below for everybody. But obviously, Samsung is their home is South Korea, and their headquarters are there. So they know what they're talking about when it comes to the Galaxy. Now, this person says the currently identified pre-order benefits of the Samsung Galaxy S24 series are as follows: double up your storage, Galaxy Watch discount coupon, Galaxy Buds FE discount coupon. Now, when they say double up storage, that means if you pay for the base model this year is 256. 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage. So you can pay for the 12 gigs of RAM, 256 storage variant. And with this double up storage promo, only on pre-order time frame, they'll give you a 512 storage variant for the same price as a 256, and they're going to do that for the 512 because now they're going to have a 1 terabyte option as well, which I'm going to be getting. I'm going to pay for the 512, and then I'm assuming with this upgrade benefit, they'll give me a 1 terabyte model. So those are now, it doesn't say how much the Galaxy Watch discount is going to be or the Buds FE, but I'm sure it'll be pretty good, right? Let's see. Walmart S24 Ultra key specifications and features leaked. I think we had already gone over that. Unpacked distribution begins. Now, excuse me. Now, there are some leaked marketing material that we got a hold of as well. Look how pretty that phone looks. Man, I can't wait. Well, now what color is that? That's got to be the titanium color. So let's look at this is inside of a Samsung store in Brazil. Somebody got a hold of the S24 Ultra banner on the front side of the kiosk. What does that say? Okay, so the language translates to with the power of Galaxy AI. Check this out. Galaxy S24 with the power of Galaxy AI. Very cool. Now, that's, some light news, but let's get into the real good details, right? Because it is going to be AI-powered phone. So let's jump into that. Here is a list of all of the AI-powered photo editing tools. A lot of these editing tools, which would be perfect for me because that's right up my alley. I'm going to use it a ton with my content that I do. It's going to basically have everything the Google Pixel 8 Pro has on it, AI-wise, and more. So photo eraser. I forgot to mention this in the last episode. a pixelized photo eraser where you have still shots where you can erase somebody in the photo. Samsung has that too. But Samsung is taking it a step further. Now they're going to do a video eraser where you can erase somebody out of a video, motion video, which is cool. But let's look at some of these. Hang on, I got this pulled up right here. Let me move this down and put that this graphic up. Hopefully it won't block. Can you all read that? It says, do more with the most epic Galaxy yet. Capture every detail on your candlelight meal with an impressive night photography and zoom in to see the live violinist playing blah, 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 blah. Okay, so here are the features. Sorry. Live translate. Speak of foreign languages on the spot in real life, right from inside the Samsung phone app with live translate. Okay, we knew about that. Nightography zoom. Brighten up your night with nightography on S24 Ultra. Want a closer look, zoom in from a distance, even in low light. That's cool. You can't do that on a Pixel. Generative edit. Move or remove objects. Fill in an empty space with generative edit. Require Samsung account, login, and internet connection. High resolution. Share every detail in life's most share-worthy moments in natural, true-to-life color with an industry-leading 200 megapixel camera. Yeah, we knew that. Screen display. Take your screen streaming to the edge. Blah, 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 blah. Where's the other stuff? High resolution. Okay, hang on, y'all. There's something I wanted to show you. Come on. There we go. Damn it. Okay, let me find this. All right, I found it. Hallelujah. Let's go. S24 Ultra rumored to gain a huge boost for its video recording, smoother videos with the possibility of creating a cinematic experience with your memories. They got a pretty good, what do they call it? Pro video mode, but I've always wanted it's one of the few iPhone features that I'm jealous of because they have a cinematic video mode, which kind of makes it look like you're filming a movie. Well, now the S24 Ultra is going to have that. Don't believe it's going to be on the S24, S24 Plus. I believe this is only S24 Ultra specific. Check this out. Rumors suggest Samsung could offer 4K 120 frames per second video recording for the S24 Ultra. The device may offer seamless zoom for 4K 60 frames per second recordings, and rumors add users could find a 30 frames per second option during playback for a cinematic feel. That's badass. So even if you're not recording in cinematic mode, whenever you play a video back and you're just watching it, you can put it in cinematic mode on playback. So it looks like it was filmed in cinematic mode. That's badass. A large leak from December suggests S24 Ultra will arrive with a 200 megapixel primary lens. Yes, we knew that. And quad telephoto. Okay. This is going to be freaking awesome. It says, furthermore, the tips added the 4K 120 frames per second recording option will let users cut that down to 30 frames per second during playback. Yeah, we knew that. Okay. The video will allegedly run 4 times slower as a result. Huh? Well, I guess that makes sense. But however, it remains unclear if the video example shown is from a S24 Ultra or another device. Well, can we watch it? All right, I don't want to sign in to stupid X. So so that was shot at 4K 120 frames per second. It was shot at 4K 120 frames per second, and this playback we're watching is at 30 frames per second. Okay. Let's see. For context, the S23 Ultra could only record at 4K 60 frames per second or 8K at 30. Well, that's cool. I have not heard of that. S24 launch date, it will take place on January 17th at 1 p.m. Eastern in San Jose, California. I'm letting everybody know right now. I'm going to live stream the launch of the S24. I'm going to order mine as soon as they're available. And we will go through what the specs are. If you think you're satisfied with what Samsung is unveiling, what you would have changed, what you like, what you don't like. So come here, as we did for the Pixel 8 Pro, kind of had a launch party. I'm definitely doing a launch party for the new S24 Ultra, and it'll be a lot of fun. It's a big day. What day is January 17th? Hang on one second. It says January 17th is a Wednesday, 2 weeks from tomorrow. So in 2 weeks, I'm going to go ahead and, trust me, and that's at noon our time, Central Standard Time. So it'd be what, 10 a.m. on the West Coast and 1 p.m. on the East Coast. I will have a live stream set up and come here. I don't think I can restream their launch event, but discuss the launch of it, because I'm definitely going to order one. I'm going to trade the S23 Ultra in for a new S24. I still don't know what color. I was going to ask y'all, what color do y'all like? Because I'm not satisfied with the colors this year. Let's pull them up real quick before we get out of here. Okay, so I do have some news on the colors. It looks like they're going to have 4 colors, base colors, and then they'll have like probably 3 more Samsung exclusive colors where they'll have those 4 colors, the base colors. They will be in the retail stores and on Samsung.com. And then if you want to order a Samsung exclusive color, which is more of a customized feel, generally take, I think, depending on what their stock is, let's check it out. It may take a little extra to get to you because they are like custom made. Let's see. You're gonna have black, gray, violet, and yellow. So the additional colors. Now this is for the Plus. What about the Ultra? You're gonna have a green, copper, orange, deep blue. What about the Ultra? Oh yeah, they got SIM card trays that shows the color of the device. Let's see. But that's the regular one. What about? Okay, look at this. What do y'all think of this? It looks like, so we got 2 different tints. One tint up here on the top left. You got the black, yellow, violet, and titanium. And then you got the same colors here, but look, they're different tints. Look at this yellow right here, and this yellow right here look different. This violet right here and this violet look here are different. Here's the official rendering, so maybe we should go off of this. Let's see. Damn ads, man. The yellows, I don't want black. I might do the titanium. I'm not wild about yellow. It looks like a banana. Violet's kind of girlish. They're not that bad, but I think I'm going to go with this one. Let me know what color y'all like best. I'm not that happy with the colors this year, but it is what it is. But let me know what y'all think and what color you would choose. And if you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. I check them every day. And stay tuned to our eSIM Studios YouTube channel for all your Samsung Galaxy S24 news. We will cover the launch as mentioned, and we'll throw a launch party and all that good stuff. So I do thank you for joining us today. It means a lot to me that you take some time out of your day and join us, because I love technology. I honestly, I could sit here for hours. I'm not even lying, and talk about phone stuff and tech stuff, but I got shit to do as well. So, but I do thank you very much for joining us, and we love mobile technology here, and we appreciate you joining us. So, thank you very much, and as always, I will see you tomorrow. Peace out.